In this video, we will show you motion change beautiful slide in PowerPoint. So, let's start. Click on right button, select color, then close. Go to Insert tab, click on Picture. I have downloaded a picture from Google. Select it and insert it. Go to Insert, click on Shapes, select Rectangle, drag like this. Go to Insert and select the text box. Right. Select a new font. Make your text bold and increase the font size. Center your content. Go to Format and Align Middle. First select this shape, then select the text box. Go to Merge Shape and select Subtract. Select Color from Shape Fill or using eyedropper. Shape Outline, make it no outline. Go to Shape Effect, select Outer Shadow. Zoom out the slide. Go to Insert, click on Picture. Select Picture and insert it. Take it to right side of the slide. Go to Insert, click on Shape, select Line. Click on right button, go to Format Shape, select Color using eyedropper. Increase width size, go to Align, select Align Middle, duplicate the slide, select All and move to left side like this. Select Picture and send to back. Go to Transition, select Morph. Now let me watch the slideshow, and this is looking beautiful. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Thank you.